Alright, here's the project for today. I'm going to build a fire pit. Got the rocks from Lowe's. This is where we want to have it. We're going to put in an oval. I want to try to keep it level all ways so we can put some rebarb across and set our grill right on top of it. So let's go ahead and get started. Break off all the junk. Get going. We got not bad. Need to come up there. It's not too awful bad. I'm going to start right here. Seems to be the high spot. I'll fill everything else in. Go and get started. Oh boy. Good. Good. Almost good. Good. Didn't want to bore everybody with all the rock laying. Good. Good. Yep, that's doing. What do you think, Max? You liking it? You liking it? You gonna be able to eat hot dogs off of this? Huh? You'll be able to eat some hot dogs off of that? Now here's the moment of truth. Is that gonna fit? I don't know how that happened. That actually fits right where it's supposed to be. I'll be surprised if it's level. Yeah. There's what's really important. That way the burgers ain't sliding off the grill. Yep, buddy. Yep. It's level all the way around, side to side, everything. So now I can start putting the top rock on. This should be the easy part. I don't think the corner's gonna quite match up, but you never know. There. Splitting the gap halfway just to make it look good and so it won't fall over later. Yep. Scrape up the dirt that's on the inside, pack it around the outside so everything doesn't move. For the inside, I've got some Georgia clay, some of the red clay. It's everywhere down here in South Carolina from another project. I'm gonna put that on the inside so they don't budge in or out. Worked out to be 4 foot long, about 3 foot wide, so that ain't bad. I think I can cook on that. Let me go get some of that clay. That'll be enough. Now I have old rock from another fireplace, so I'll put it in to protect, because it cracks. It should protect that store-bought stuff a little bit. Yeah, quartz is everywhere here. All right, pit is done. Next, just a couple pieces of trip over pipe left over from something. Old piece of rebarb. We'll cut this in 4-inch sections, drill holes, stick it up in here, weld it, and that'll give me 2 legs for the long run. Then I've got some other rebarb. I'm just gonna cut it and put a little angle up on each side to hold the logs. That way the logs will be up off the ground and they will burn better. I'm gonna get the drill out and start making the log rack. GoPro, stop recording.